Good morning, guys. So I'm starting off the day making myself some street tacos, breakfast style. So we're gonna do 4 egg whites, 1/4 cup of cheddar, 2 small little Mission tortillas, little olive oil spray, and I got the skillet going right now. So let's get cooking.
Hey, I try my best to talk to you, tell you about the things I like to do. You know your smile is lighting up the room, up the room. Do you always look this beautiful? Can I kiss you when the night is through? Because right now it's all I wanna do, wanna do. Lipstick.
In case you want to see the macros, we got 2 tortillas for 150 calories, 3.5 grams of fat. We've got 26 grams of carbs for 2. We've got a little bit of fiber and just a little bit of sugar, but there's also some protein. So we're gonna do 2 of these. We've got the 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese, so I'm just gonna sprinkle this on top of the eggs to get it nice and melted. And then we'll just let it cook a little bit because I like the cheese melted. And we're gonna make those tacos. Then we're gonna get dressed and we're gonna go for a walk.
Oh, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime?
Today's lunch is a nice giant salad with mixed greens, cucumbers, 5 chicken nuggets by Perdue, 2 tablespoons of G. Hughes sugar-free honey mustard, and a Diet Pepsi. In total, this is, I'm going to show you how many points it is. So I just came home from Home Goods because I had to return something and I found some stuff. What else is new? I found, here, let me put the light on. So for our bathroom upstairs, I found a little toothbrush holder. So cute, it was on clearance for $5. And because this particular medicine cabinet is quite narrow, here, let me spin you around. So you can see we've been just kind of leaving toothbrushes laying out. So I figured, look how cute it is. It says brushes. So I figured we could put the 3 toothbrushes in there and then it'll make more sense. All right, that looks better now. Got our medicine stuff up here. We got our toothpaste and toothbrush down here, and that's Brittany's perfume and brush. All right, so that's one thing. I want to show you some more things I got. All right, so in the beauty room, I hung this. This is a canvas painting, and love the colors above the like perfume. Here, I'll stand back so you can see. We're obviously going to be hanging window treatments, but guys, I found this at the Goodwill and I looked it up online. It's like $180 painting. I paid $5.99 and it's in a beautiful frame. I just thought it went so well in here with the color of the rug. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know. I'm here with my girls. Molly's out there. Hayes, are we having fun? Anyway, guys, I forgot to film dinner. I had a burger patty on top of a salad with cukes and the G. Hughes honey mustard. I had that again. Just like lunch, but instead of the chicken, I had the burgers and it was delicious. I also had a bottle of water, which I'm on several of these, and waiting for Jess to come home so we can put together our umbrella for the patio furniture. We're gonna get the grill going because we're having a BBQ tomorrow. We're having a little bit of a gig tomorrow with some company, and should be fun. I'm excited. And that's kind of today. I did get a couple of other things at Home Goods that I'm actually going to bring back, and that I don't even think I showed it to you. I did get another big painting for the bedroom, but it didn't look right, so that's going back. Tomorrow I have to go to BJ's to pick up food for the barbecue, so I'll take you with me. I'll show you what I'm eating, but all in all, I had 30 points on the app today. Feeling really good, and we'll continue. 30 full days. We'll see where we're at the end of 30. Right, Paige? All right, guys, I hope you all have a great night. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.